Of some of India's finest and brightest. Today we have put together yet another unmissable lineup of India's who's who. Our first guest is a prolific singer, Shreya Ghoshal. Her latest soulful electropop ode to the lost love, Angana More, has made it to number 2 on Billboard's top grossing global list. Let's listen in.
Popularly known as India's Nightingale,
it is time to not say experiment, but listen to my heart and just go with the flow.
She scaled new heights with her latest track, Angana More.
As they call me, Shreya D will make it to the Billboard one day. So it's a sweet gesture and I feel very happy. I hope it's a start.
NewsX India A-List proudly recognizes Shreya Ghoshal for excellence in music.
Harun, welcome. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on a brand new interview as part of our NewsX A-List series. We are in conversation today with the well-known singer, Shreya Ghoshal. Shreya, welcome to NewsX firstly. Thank you for joining us.
It's my pleasure, Uday. Thank you for having me here.
And let me start out by congratulating you first on, of course, the amazing response that you're getting for Angana More, but particularly the fact that now it's made it to number 2 on Billboard's top thriller global list. And let me just tell our viewers that this is phenomenal because this is a very acclaimed global list. And Shreya has beaten Selena Gomez, Erica Banks, and several other Indian contemporaries as well. So congratulations on that, Shreya. And how does it feel?
Thank you. Thank you. It feels great. So we, while making the song, did not have any such expectation. So I think it's a pleasant surprise. It's a great feeling. I think not just me, especially the fans are rejoicing. Somewhere they always hoped that Shreya, or as they call me, Shreya D, will make it to the Billboard one day. So it's a sweet gesture, and I feel very happy. I hope it's a start.
Yes, absolutely. But just speaking now about Angana More, this song which has done so well. Tell us about what led to it, what the conceptualization was like and how special it is for you, considering that it's a collaboration with your brother, Soumyadeep, as well.
Right. So Angana More was born in the lockdown. So yeah, it was a very interesting experience. And Soumyadeep is a fabulous musician with whom this is our second project together. But we always, over the phone or on video calls, we only talk about music and we talk about the possibilities of doing so many different things. And so he pushed me into it and said, don't even worry about, what are the trends, what people are doing of late. Whatever you want to do, you should do. Stop thinking about it. So that's how Angana More was born. So this is a very different kind of a song from my kitty anyway. And that's why I went indie. And when you're doing independent music, you have no pressures of following any rules, right? So I broke all of them and did a slightly classical based number with a very modern electronic, almost like a groovy, transy kind of a song. Which it was just organically happening, and then eventually when the song released, people loved it. So I'm happy that we are on the right path.
Yeah. But you enjoy this, experimenting in new genres. As you said, this song has got an electronic feel to it. You've done romantic numbers, classical numbers in the past, but do you enjoy these experimentations as well in your work, in your singles?
Yeah, I mean, see, I don't have particular thoughts that I have to make or have to write a song which has a particular style. It just happens. I have grown up, of course, learning classical music, but I have learned more, which it was just organically happening. And then eventually when the song released, people loved it. So I'm happy that we are on the right path.
Yeah. But you enjoy this, experimenting in new genres. As you said, this song has got an electronic feel to it. You've done romantic numbers, classical numbers in the past, but do you enjoy these experimentations as well in your work, in your singles?
Yeah, I mean, see, I don't have particular thoughts that I have to make or have to write a song which has a particular style. It just happens. I have grown up, of course, learning classical music, but I have learned mostly by listening to music. And my influences are as varied as Lata Mangeshkar to the Western jazz legends to the current pop icons as well. So
Yeah,
um, it's such a mishmash of ideas in my head that it's very difficult to.
yeah,
Um, it's such a mishmash of ideas in my head that it's very difficult to pinpoint a genre and say that I belong to this or this is my
yes,
style. Uh, so I think this was high time that I did something that, being almost singing for 20 years in the films and actually singing much before that, before I entered films, before Devdas also, I was singing. So my journey has started too early. So
Mhm.
now it is time to not say experiment, but listen
Yeah,
to my heart and just go with the flow. And not because the music currently is just all about numbers and
Mhm.
what are the trends and remixes, and that can totally make you delusional and
Yeah,
lose faith in
true.
good or original music or good music,
Yeah,
whatever. So I'm
yeah.
trying to stay afloat in my ideas, through my ideas.
No, true. That's a good piece of advice. Don't look so much at the numbers, but look at the good content, the original work, the good work that you have always done. Of course, we have to ask you to then just hum us a line or two of Angana More before we
Yeah.
continue this conversation. That would be our
Yes.
pleasure and honor to hear you.
Oh, of course. Thank you. If you have not, the audiences who are watching it, if you're not, you can go and check it out. And the video is also pretty interesting, so you will actually enjoy, apart
Yeah.
from the just the song. Here we go. Some lines. आओ सजन अंगना मोरे आओ सजन अंगना मोरे दिन रैन तुमरी याद सताए आओ सजन अंगना मोरे आओ सजन अंगना मोरे आओ सजन अंगना मोरे अंगना मोरे.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for that. And
Thank
of course, as you
you.
said now, if people have loved it, and I'm sure they have, they should go and hear the entire song, and of course also the music video, which has also been
Right.
shot pretty slick, and it's looking very nice as well. But
Thank
let me
you.
ask you, about the lockdown. As you were saying, this is something that happened during the lockdown. How was the lockdown for you? An unprecedented year, of course, for the entire world.
Yeah.
But how
Right.
was it like for you the last year? What kept you going through it, and what were some of your learnings during this very challenging times?
Of course, this wasn't a easy year. 2020 was hard on everybody in so many different ways: economic, being distanced from family, losses of all kinds. It was very depressing. But the only good thing that happened during this lockdown is the much, especially for me, a deserved, I feel, a very welcome break from the absolute non-stop kind of a life that I've had for years, where there was not a single Saturday or a Sunday or a chutti or a holiday.
Yeah.
Not that I ever complained, but since this was forced,
Mhm.
I really actually made use of it. Just
Yeah.
doing simple things of life, even like going to the kitchen and cooking your own meal is
Mhm.
so fulfilling. I could go back to learning music. I could go back to my riyaz, which was quite missing in my life. That discipline was missing. Self care, of love, being with family, friends, connecting back to people who probably you always take for granted that you're in touch or you're with them, but where was the time to sit and talk for an hour? uh, so I think I used all of this, and I think that this was quite a blessing in disguise. And I think I could create music also like this
Yeah.
Angana More happened, and there are other I do better than what I was doing in 2019. So
Okay. Well, we
yeah.
certainly hope for that. But there's also, I believe, acting on the cards. Is this true? There's something coming up, something new coming up very soon. Is this correct, Shreya?
Yeah, see, independent music तो मैं करती रहूंगी, वो तो
जी.
parallelly है ही.
Yeah.
So I will keep churning out songs on my own. But films, of course, there are so many things happening. Unfortunately, because of theatrical releases being on hold and it's still not full-fledged back.
Yeah.
But there are some very big films and very beautiful songs and very different songs from each other. All of that is all. I can't take the names of the films, unfortunately, because I'm like, जब तक film नहीं release होती है, मैं उसके बारे में बोल नहीं सकती हूँ.
True.
But yeah, it'll be a, quite. So there are some beautiful romantic tracks to some really larger than life kind of songs and festivities, and all of that is packed in 21. So
Okay.
I would just say it's going to be a good year.
Okay. So, Lord Kami, last couple of questions now before we end. This show is all about recognizing, of course, achievers and the finest and brightest of India that we have. So I have to ask you, looking back now at your career, what has been one defining moment for you, one game-changing moment? आजकल पिछले साल IPL में ये game changer of the match trophy दिया जाता था to one player, who changed the course of the match. So for you, what was a song, what was a film, what was an album, or a moment for you that was a game changer for your career?
Actually, Uday, I think the game-changing moment was the very first song that I did, and for the first film. So I think that kind of would always be the most momentous, experience and time of my life. Devdas, Deri Piya, which changed my life. I was about 16 years old, being called for a song like that by Sanjay Leela Bhansali for a film of that stature. It was definitely unexpected. It was amazing. And from there onwards, there has been no looking back. But there have been many more such songs which, or milestones or concerts or world tours or experiences, which of course has added so many different, layers to my life and how my journey has from here to there just moved. But it's too hard to count them now. It's lovely. Like, I'm very blessed, but I will always look back at my first song, my first film as the most sentimental and most emotional and important milestone of my life.
True, that certainly did change your life for the better for our fans, for your fans as well, like us. So we could, of course, enjoy your work more and more through the years, and we hope to do that, through the next few years as well. So thank you so much, and. Signing off, such a soulful voice in the house. So I can't have the last word. I have to let you have the last word. We can sign off with a song, any of your songs that you'd like to sing for us, 2-3 lines as we end this interview on a musical note today.
Yes. चलो ये गाना करती हूँ मैं जो Kalank, this film had released a few years ago, and the song was very special to me, so I'll sing that. रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, सातों जन्म से सिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया,